Tell us what you like about me, JJ.
There's just not enough time for that, Jaffo. I'm logging you down at 1900 hours.
Bubba, Ski, you copy?
Solid copy. You want us?
No, you two grab a bite.
Careful how you say that, Frank. Remember who you're talking to.
As advertised, in the back, left side, in the corner.
Sure, okay.
You guys know what you want?
Well, what do you think, Bubba? Shall we start with the escargot or the caviar?
Well,
All we got is burgers, subs, and fries.
Well, in that case, make it 2 cheeseburgers with everything on it, 2 hoagies, and 4 orders of fries.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'll have the same.
No, mademoiselle, absolument.
But Francois, now the waiter says you won't accept my money. Now really, you are in business.
I would not have been, except for your grandfather. I was deeply grieved at his passing. So, mademoiselle, je vous en prie, accept my hospitality.
Thank you, Francois.
Madame. Can I help you, gentlemen?
Those dudes ain't cops. I did time with that guy.
The 2 gunmen wearing uniforms of highway patrolmen have been identified as professional killers with ties to organized crime. There is, as yet, no information about the person or persons inside the restaurant at the time.
Thanks for the offer, but I can't think of anything we can't handle in our simple earthbound way.
Roger, Cap. Just the neighborhood thought we'd ask. Jeff, let's get home where we're appreciated.
Want to take a look at the action? I got KDILA here.
Hey.
In fact, the spokesperson for the Highway Patrol had this to say, quote, "There will be no further comment pending completion of a statewide investigation," unquote. This is Laura Mendez for KDIL News on the Pacific Coast Highway.
Look at that maniac go.
Steve, Bubba, come in. Rolling Thunder, come in.
Yeah, Frank, over.
We've picked up on a silver Corvette, inbound on 101, doing close to 100. There's probably no connection with them, just shooting at a restaurant a few miles south. It won't hurt to see where the Corvette's going in such a hurry, but do not overtake.
Don't overtake, the man said. He's doing close to 100. You know what we gotta do just to stay in the game? Just to stay in the game, old buddy, we gotta stay alive. Relax, Bubba. I drive better fast than careful. And I never had a lesson in my life. That may be the problem.
With the very mics.
Without a warrant?
We're in hot pursuit. Crime in progress. Speeding.
No, damn it. Tell him it's Carl and it's urgent. No, sir. No, sir. Nothing went right. We gotta take a meeting. Yes, sir. As soon as I get there. I don't know, about 20 miles north of Vero Beach.
Jaffa, let's have a look at his license plate. Bubba, Ski.
On the van.
The Corvette's license number is 282 Ted. Hang on to him while we check him out.
Hang on to him? He's doing an Indy 500. I can't even stay close.
We'll contact the Highway Patrol. They'll have him slow down a bit.
I thought you didn't want him stopped.
I don't. I'll have CHP falling just ahead of him. If that doesn't slow him down, then they'll have to stomp on him.
282 TAD. It's registered to Edna Merchant, Sherman Oaks. Well. She's on a 2-year suspended sentence for extortion.
Let's find out who her friends are.
Carl Selhonen shows up 3 times.
Is that you, Carl?
Arrests, all of them suspicion of homicide. No indictments. Take a look at this, Frank.
Blue Thunder, we own him at a nice, safe distance. Ski's grinding his teeth because we're going too slow. Frank, this man is consumed with envy. And for what? Just because I drive better than he does. Pretty ridiculous, right? You control the wheel, I control the radio.
He's changing lanes. Getting off at 7th. Looks like he's heading downtown. He's going underground, basement parking. Which building, Jeffo?
Western Pacific Building.
You copy, Bubba?
Got it.
Tenant list just coming in, Frank. Law offices, stockbrokers, import-export. How's about this one? International Carriers Union.
Well, that's a real possibility. Check out a Jake Cusack.
President of the Carriers Union?
That's right.
Okay, Jake Cusack, then Executive Vice President, International Carriers Union, appeared before Senate Committee on Organized Crime, 1981, indicted 1982, jury tampering, tried, acquitted, elected President of the Union. As a reward?
Frank, on that shooting at Vero Beach, the latest information has it that the target was Lisa Ritchie.
You must be kidding. A woman?
Not just any woman. Granddaughter of organized crime's top man, Joseph Ritchie.
That's the late Joseph Ritchie, Bubba. He died last week. Okay, call the U.S. Attorney's Office and tick off these facts. 1. Attempted killing in Faro Beach, organized crime connected. 2. A man tries to set speed records on Highway 101 about the same time and place of the shooting. He could be Carl Suhonen, also organized crime connected. 3. He made an appointment in the Western Pacific building with a Jake Cusack, also organized crime connected, who has his office there.
Jackpot.
Add one more item. Suhonen is a member of Cusack's union.
I'm going to punch up the location of Mr. Cusack's offices.
Frank, your old friend Judge Roselli came through. He said it's okay to listen.
Thank you, Bubba. Remind me to thank him.
Thermograph search, Frank.
Mr. Cusack, I'm asking you, please, don't close the book on me. Next time it's gonna get done right, I promise. No more screw-ups.
Did you hear that?
Means nothing. Could be talking about plumbing.
I don't know, Carl. Hand a man something very important. He drops it down the toilet.
They are talking about plumbing.
Please listen to me. I personally guarantee you that I'm gonna get the job done just as ordered. Now, please, one more shot.
I think it's too late. After what happened today, I think we've blown it. After what happened today, I think we've blown it.
Well, it's all there, but it's a lot of bull. Never hold up in a court of law. They didn't want her dead, they wanted her alive. Otherwise, why the phony police car, phony uniforms to set up a phony bust? They wanted something from her.
Like what?
Like what her grandfather left her just before he died.
Like money?
No. Like everything you ever wanted to know about organized crime and were afraid to ask. Joseph Ritchie kept records about everything he ever did, and before he died, he told her where they were.
Captain, that's pretty heavy duty. Where'd you get that information?
From the FBI. They wanted Blue Thunder assigned to them to help protect her so they could talk her into cooperating.
And you turned them down?
Who was to know the big boys in organized crime even knew about those records until tonight? Now that we know that they know, well, I can't very well turn the FBI down again, can I, Frank?
Why not? She's got a battalion of bodyguards, bulletproof house.
No, we want the assignment, Jaffo.
We do?
Yes, we do.
Why?
We don't like organized crime.
Well, I know that, you know that, but let's not let them know that.
We want it, sir.
You got it, Frank.
Let's go, buddy.
All right. By my calculations, we should be right on top of it. Suppose old Joe Ritchie camouflaged it?
Let's have some audio.
We okay on that?
FBI says we are. We never argue with the Bureau, do we?
Right.
Lisa.
Kathy, what happened?
Frankie's bothering me.
Well, he just likes you, Kathy.
I want you to spank him.
I'll talk to Frankie. How's that?
Okay, talk to him.
Okay.
I cannot believe this. That beautiful beautiful girl. Is that the ogre's granddaughter?
We'll find out soon enough. Check out their security. The old man called it his private Fort Knox. I can see why.
Yeah. Can we get back to the pool now?
No, we can get back to pub and ski. We've got a lot of work to do. And I understand. We'll be there in 15 minutes. Sorry, Jaffo. You want me to come along? Ski, did you get Junior out?
Right.
Thanks, Steve. It's been pulling to the right lately, Frank, so watch for it, all right?
All right, if I'm not back in an hour, you guys get in the van, you come and get me.
Be careful, Frank!
You Frank Cheney?
That's right.
Step out of the car, please, and walk over here. Leave your keys. Let's see your ID. Okay. Like your style. I'll take you up the house to meet Mr. LaRoche. She can get this on the way back up.
Hello, I'm Lisa Ritchie.
Frank Cheney.
Yes. I understand you're with the FBI.
No, I'm in a federal experimental unit. Right now, we're assigned to the FBI.
What kind of experiments do you do?
We're the experiment. You ever heard of Blue Thunder?
I think so. It's either a tropical drink or a football team.
It's a helicopter.
Please sit down.
You do know why I'm here.
Yes, and I'm afraid it's hopeless. That is, if you're here to try to persuade me. You see, my grandfather did not want me to give or show those papers to anyone. Or are you here to offer me something the FBI hasn't offered already?
Yes, your life. We want you to stay alive. We don't believe your grandfather's soldiers and friends, as loyal as they may be to the family, can do it. Miss Ritchie, didn't you realize the risk you were taking yesterday?
No. Nobody knew those papers existed till my grandfather told me about them. Now it seems the whole world knows. So, I won't leave this house again. Not till whoever tries to kill me understands that it wasn't necessary. I'm not a threat to anyone.
Don't you understand? They think you are, as long as you have those records.
And you'll keep me alive till I decide to do the right thing.
That's right. And the sooner you decide, the sooner you'll be safe again.
If I do nothing now, After what happened last night, they've got to know that I won't turn over those records. They'll realize that I'm my grandfather's grandchild.
Miss Ritchie, they trusted your grandfather. Or they feared him.
When they realize that I haven't given the FBI his records, they'll trust me. But if you insist on protecting me, even though I'm not a criminal, there isn't much I can do about it, is there? Mr. Cheney's ready to leave.
I'm really not.
You really are.
I really am.
Good day.
Good day.
Miss Ritchie, sleep on it. If you wake up tomorrow, let me know.
All right, get ready. You just passed me and he's coming at you.
Okay? Saw the whole thing. Got his number, too.
Good.
Guy's some kind of maniac. What the hell? He's coming back. No! Take chances, Sonny. I had faith in the guy's better judgment.
We know who you are. We know where you've been, who you've been to see. You can answer some questions. You tell a lie, I'm gonna know it. You tell the truth, you got nothing to worry about. You got that? You got that?
I got it.
Good.
Hey, Frank's in trouble. Let's go.
Seal the chopper. Let's run.
Okay, here's the setup. You're hooked up to a polygraph. It's a lie detector. So all that Clint Eastwood nerves of steel stuff is just a waste of time. You ready, Frosty?
All set.
Okay. I want straight answers to 3 questions. What kind of deal did you make with Lisa Ritchie? Where are Joe Ritchie's records? And does she plan to give them to the FBI, or has she already given them to the FBI?
That's 4 questions.
Don't do that. It screws up the results and slows down the test.
Not to mention that it hurts.
Now, let's start with that first question again. What kind of deal did you make with Lisa Ritchie?
This has got to be it.
said. Or it's gonna take more guts than you got.
Lisa didn't confide in me.
I've heard enough. Let's get him.
Body count first.
What kind of deal do you make with Lisa Ritchie? For a Joe Ritchie?
Take a good look, guys. Frank's in the west corner, and he's sitting down, so aim high.
Cover the bat.
Sure.
Tear it up.
All right, you suckers! Give us a thought on how you want to come out!
Listen, all 5 of you. Walk out now or stay in there and die.
5? How the hell do they know that?
Frank.
You should have had a doctor look at your face.
I want you to see it first.
You've made your point.
Have I?
I'm just sorry that you had to go to so much trouble to make it.
No trouble at all.
Hold that.
Don't you even want to know who they were?
I thought you didn't see them.
Well, I knew at least one of them.
How?
Last night, after they tried to kill you, a man named Carl Suhonen had a talk with Jake Cusack, the union boss.
I've never heard of Cusack, nor Sahonen. How do you know they talk?
I taped their conversation, and while all of this was happening, I recognized Suhonen's voice.
What did you think you'd hear?
That Jake Cusack put a contract out on your life, that Carl Suhonen was the hitman.
This Sahonen and Jake Cusack. These are 2 men I never knew. I never even met. But they want me dead?
No. People who want you dead are much bigger. Cusack Suhonen just worked for them. They're old friends of your grandfather's, and you know their names.
My mother and father were killed. Their car was rigged with a bomb when I was 11. My grandfather cut himself off from organized crime and brought me here. He loved me, protected me, till the day he died. Family. That was his religion. Family. Here, in this place, he kept the Ritchie name so clean that it was finally forgotten. Those children who were here today, most of them are named Ritchie too, but it doesn't mean to them what it meant to me when I was young, when I was shamed and hurt by it. If I turn over those records, it's going to start all over again for them, and I can't do that. Not to those children and not to the family. I won't do it.
Have you ever thought of anybody else's family?
Yesterday, after you left, I called one of my grandfather's old friends. I asked for a meeting with him and the heads of 4 other families.
Why?
Because that's how it's done. If I can convince them that I won't give up those records, they'll spread the word and that'll be the end of it.
Only for you. They just keep on doing business as usual. It's an ugly, disgusting business.
Are you asking me to be responsible for the whole world? No one can do that. But I am responsible for my family.
Did you get your meeting?
Yes. Wednesday. Takes time to bring men like that together.
Are they coming here?
No. I know I said I wouldn't leave this house, but this is different. They want to talk to me. I'll be safe.
Where?
20 miles north. Charlie Folsom has a house overlooking Point Doom.
I'll take you then, Blue Thunder.
My bodyguards will take me. This is a family affair.
So is a funeral.
Can we speak to Mr. LaRoche?
You're looking at it.
Lieutenant Cheney would like for us to escort you.
Why not?
Just looking.
Frank Cheney?
Since you asked, yes.
You can relax now.
How's it looking, Jeff?
Well, I don't see any Apaches. But like John Wayne used to say, well, if you can see them, they ain't Apaches.
Keep it nice and slow.
You heard the man.
You got an escort, ground and air.
Who cares? Where are they?
I don't know, 15 miles from home base. I'm worried.
Carl, just do your job.
What about the copter?
Hey, you let us worry about the guy in the sky, okay? We're ready. We take care of him, and you take care of the rest. Don't screw it up this time. You've had it.
You want us to use the thermograph, Frank?
No, we've got him. Just bring in the sound.
Shall we scare up a warrant?
Already covered.
Don't call us, we'll call you. They're talking.
As my grandfather would have done.
Yes, Lisa. And we all agree your grandfather was a man of honor. He respected our tradition till the day he died. What none of us can understand is why he kept incriminating records. And why he would tell you where they are.
He was dying. His mind turned on so many different things and it just spilled out. He meant no harm. He may have thought he was protecting me.
Yet it was a harmful thing to you to give you such information.
I have no information. I've never seen those records.
But you know where they are.
I know he hid them where no one will ever find them.
But you can find them if you wish.
But I don't wish.
Lisa, will you tell us where they are hidden?
No. My grandfather didn't want that. He told me that those records could turn friend against friend. Family against family. Trust me to keep them safe.
Lisa, we do trust you. We believe you. And between us, we will do what can be done to keep you safe.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lisa, I knew your grandfather almost 40 years. I respect his wishes. He trusted you, so must I.
And you do believe me that I will never touch those records?
In our world, my dear, our word is our bond.
Good. Thank you.
Richie? Just flying over the area, and I decided it would be a shame if you missed a chance to take a ride in a vehicle as amazing, as unique as Blue Thunder. Come on, I'll fly you home.
What are you doing?
Don't argue with me. Something's happening.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll see you back at the house.
Jaffa, you follow with Bub and Ski.
Watch your head.
Gentlemen?
I hope you realize this is going to change their thinking.
Not Mr. Folsom's thinking. Here, put these on, take a listen. Instant replay. After you left the room, I taped this. Your friend, Mr. Folsom.
Hello. No, nothing was accomplished. You're leaving now. No, don't tell me about it. Let me read about it, but get it done.
Civic Center. Who we got flying along?
Fair 60 Blue Thunder. He's riding shotgun. Braddock was worried about you.
Something's wrong. Hang on. wish I could.
What is the matter with you?
What's the matter with me? Take a look down there, Lisa. Those are innocent people.
Well, if you don't do it to them, they'll do it to us.
That's right. You can't have that either. If I can knock out his engine, that thing will go down.
He's getting closer.
Hang on.
They're gaining on us.
Good. Because this time we're ready for him. Cheney to Rolling Thunder. Head for the construction site at 6th and Garfield.
Copy. What's going down, Frank?
Take a look up and you'll see. Trash down there before somebody steps on it.
Our pleasure, Thunder.
Something else on your tail.
We already found him, Jeff. Folsom's Air Force's foot tricks.
How long can we go on playing cat and mouse?
Until he gets impatient and makes a mistake. He made the mistake. He let me lure him over Griffith Park. Hang on.
Shot them down anytime you wanted to.
Not quite.
You risked your life for people you don't even know.
Well, maybe I just wanted to broaden your outlook a little.
You did, Frank. You did. I want you to have this.
A lighter?
It doesn't even work. That's because there's something in it. The information you've been wanting. Not the records, but where they are.
Thank you, Lisa. Welcome to the family.
Frank, how old is Lisa?
Very old, Jaffo. Very young.
Classy place.
When are we going to eat, Frank?
Forgive me for keeping you waiting. I was in the kitchen.
Lisa, this is Bubba.
How are you?
Ski.
How you doing?
And Jaffo.
Charmed.
Well, in about 20 minutes, we're all going to be sitting down to an authentic and, I hope, good old country dinner.
Sounds like my kind of food.
Well, Ski thinks that old country means that there's lots of it.
Did they find them? My grandfather's records?
Yes. Oh, and they not only put this back together, they fixed it.
I'd like you to have that. What was in the records? Was it all they expected? Will it do what you'd hoped it would?
May I show you?
Lisa, thank you for this.